canal treatment. Ugh, the shivers. Everyone hates the idea of root canal treatment. They make the sign of the cross, they have a large whiskey. It doesn't have to be like that. Root canal treatment can be done without hurting you. I absolutely promise that. We would use an enormous amount of local anaesthetic to make sure that you're utterly numb. And then we need to clean the tooth. A root canal treated tooth, or a tooth that needs root canal treatment, is generally a tooth where the nerve is died or is dying, and you're getting some toothache, or maybe that you've got a little lump next to the gum. So a lot's gone wrong with the tooth, but we can resurrect the tooth. We can make the tooth good again. And the process is that we clean the inside of the tooth, as I say, with lots and lots of local anaesthetic, and then we disinfect the interior of the tooth, and then the interior of the tooth is sealed such that it doesn't get infected again. And that whole process is called root canal treatment. Root canal cleaning and root canal filling. And the process of root canal treatment can be the saviour of teeth, and that's what we're about. So if you have a tooth that's giving you pain, or you have a tooth that is giving you a lump or a swelling, then it could well be that root canal treatment will be the solution to your particular problem. And you don't have to have a large whiskey. We'll make sure that you're utterly and totally comfortable during the treatment. Thank you.